So in this RBC Mobile App tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to use a mortgage payment calculator on the RBC Mobile application. So once you open up the RBC app, I want you to go to the bottom right hand side and press on More. Once you're here, I want you to scroll down to where it says Services right here, and then where it says Tools and Calculators, go ahead and press on that. Now, three different options here. The one that you're looking for is mortgage payments calculator. So if you were to go ahead and press on that one, I do actually believe it will transfer you to another page. So it actually did. It opened up a new web browser. So once you're here, you can actually go ahead and check out the simple mortgage payment calculator, where you can just type in the mortgage amount and calculate that way based off a 5-year fixed interest rate. Or you can go to advanced right here and make it a little bit more complicated. Perhaps this would actually be better for you, perhaps if you have specific amortization periods, frequencies, interest rates, etc. You can go ahead and play with that and then calculate down below. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to use the mortgage payment calculator on the RBC mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.